Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, greetings to all. My name is Krishna from class 9 Sharavati. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar death anniversary. Every year on 6 December we observe Mahaparinirvan Divas, a day that holds great significance as we remember the life and contributions of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, one of the India's greatest leaders. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar passed away on 6 December 1956, but his impact on our nation continues to live on. His impact, he was the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, which laid the foundation of justice, equality, and freedom for all its citizens, irrespective of their caste, religion, or background. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's dedication to the social justice and equality earned him the title of father of the Indian Constitution. He worked tirelessly to ensure that the Indian Constitution would guarantee rights for all its citizens and protect them from discrimination. His efforts in shaping laws that upheld the human dignity and continue to influence the course of the Indian society. On this Mahaparinirvan Divas, we remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy and reflect on his vision for a fair and just society. His commitment to the equality and determination to uplift the oppressed remind us of ongoing needs to fight for justice in every aspect of our lives. Let us follow his example by promoting equality, education and social empowerment and working towards the society where everyone regardless of caste or background and is treated with respect and dignity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life was the struggle for rights of the marginalized and he fought against the caste system, advocating the rights for untouchables and other underprivileged communities. He was not only a social reformer but also a brilliant scholar, lawyer, and his message was clear: education is the key to liberation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar believed that empowering individuals with education would enable them to challenge social justice and inequality. He even believed in women empowerment. As a students and future leaders of this country, we must strive to ensure that the values of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar should be carried forward. We must work towards an inclusive society where everyone, regardless of their caste, creed, and religion, has equal opportunities and treated with respect and dignity. Thank you. Jai Hind.